writing interviews or meetings can be a chore, and listening and writing everything word for word is difficult and time-consuming. This is where writing resources like Trent come into play. Trent's auto-write service includes an excellent online editor, fast file processing, an innovative mobile app, and significant security policies. However, in the experiment, the text itself was not so impressive. Complex audio files produced error-ridden results, although less complicated files had almost a degree of accuracy. If you plan to use a simple recording service with 1 or 2 speakers, Trent is a solid choice. If not, the winner of Editor's Choice Rev, a personalized writing service, is the best option. How much does a Trent cost? Trent violates the writing service model by not providing payment rates as you travel. Services start at $60 a month with the starter program, including recording 7 files per month. For $75 a month, one user can sign up for the advanced program, which includes unlimited subscriptions. The Pro Team plan for 2 to 50 users and includes complete writing and sharing tools such as shared workplaces, simultaneous editing, and intermediate payments. Trent also offers enterprise unpaid monthly payment plans that include real-time live recording services and ride and training for team members. In the automated writing service category, Trent is more expensive than before. Registration for Transcribe Machine Express starts at 7 cents per minute, Temi begins at 25 cents per minute, and Sonic starts at $10 per hour. Trent supports uploading audio and video files in less than 3 hours in length or 3 GB size. Trent support page notes that you can upload files larger than these size limits, but upload errors may occur. Supported audio file types include AAC, M4A, MP3, MP4, and WAV. Video files include AVI, MOV, MP4, and WMA. Unfortunately, the service does not accept YouTube video or video files links. Starting with Trent. The script is called Trent's, and you can easily create it in the workspace. Once you have logged in and subscribed to the program, you upload audio or video using the yellow upload button in the upper left corner of the screen. Select or drag and drop files into the pop-up window, then click the blue upload button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Click the bold yellow button and wait for the recording to complete. When Trent finishes writing the file, you proceed to the editing process. Web Interface Trent. On the web interface, you can create Trents, scripts, and news. The story contains important or outstanding moments from any of your Trents, rearranged and merged into a single file. To the left of the screen, there are sections labeled Your Space and Other. My Trents and News, Recent Trents, Shared with Me, My Trent Players, and Vocab Builder appear in the Your Space section. One section allows you to access support and other information about the service. Trent Player sews text into video files, karaoke style, and provides embedded video for your website. A clever accessibility tool that doubles as an SEO booster for video content because the spoken word is searchable by search engines. I have not seen any other recording services that offer this type of feature, and it is an essential addition to anyone building a business with video-based content. Vocab Builder lets you create a list of custom words to make your future Trents more accurate. Sonics has a similar function called the Standard Dictionary, which allows you to improve typing by listing appropriate words, technical terms, unfamiliar phrases, and different spelling. Another screen contains Trents and news you create. Each file has a creation date, duration, editing date, and status. Double-clicking on a file name opens the online writing editor. The Otter Web works well with business, with its ability to automatically share transcripts of meetings with everyone in the calendar invitation. You can also invite other Otter users to the group space within the Otter Web interface, where you can record audio or share imported audio and video files. Planning, processing time, and privacy. As mentioned above, Trent is an automated writing service, which means no one writes your files. Instead, Trent algorithms produce machine-generated text, and you can edit the resulting text completely. In general, most automated writing services have much lower accuracy than human-based services. In line with this practice, Trent Testing has produced some of the least accurate documentation services we have ever tested. Trent says it can process an audio file at approximately the same time as the file length. So, for example, a 30-minute audio or video file should take about 30 minutes to complete. In testing, the service was much faster than these low speeds. For example, it restored my 10-minute file in 3 minutes. Trent uses 256-bit ICE encryption, and the company has a strict policy not to tolerate unauthorized employee access. How accurate is the Trent? I use the same 5-minute recording to check the accuracy of all recording equipment, a simple audio test, and a complex audio test. Simple audio test recording of a 2-person podcaster taken from a home studio with prosumer level audio equipment. There is a slight contradiction in the audio file, and both speakers are native English speakers with American words. Simple check for automatic typing services only. Sophisticated Audio is a 3-person sports podcast recorded with professional level microphones. There are a lot of negative comments, insults, and sports jargon. A challenging recording, but all the words are audible. Complex sound is for automated and personalized recording services. Trent performance on simple audio tests has produced mid-road results. It took longer than usual to record, with text up to 9 minutes after the audio presentation. Some automated typing tools work faster than Trent. For each typing test, I mark an error where there is an incorrect word, missing or added word, or a misidentified speaker in the text. For example, in a simple test, Trent produced 14 errors, making the text file usable but in need of editing. Trent produced 26 errors in a complex test after processing 1 minute and 31 seconds, the fastest processing time recorded. However, the accuracy was low. Only Temi, Otter, and Scribby had the worst results in a complex experimental setting. Internet editing. To make text files useful for Trent writing, you should use the online text editor of the service. Double-click on the Trent you want to edit, and the online editor opens. You can also play audio at the bottom of the screen to listen to unusual or non-abstract sounds and improve handwriting. There is also the option to change the speaker names, add comments, highlights, tags, punctuation, and translation. You can also create closed captions for audio and video files in the online editing tool. After clearing each recorded section, you can check the box to the left of the screen to record your progress. This feature is useful for long writing files or shared workspaces because you can continue where you left off during the editing process. You can also access the histories of different versions of your writing by clicking the link in the top right corner of the screen. I would like to see Trent mark areas that can be difficult in the text to make the editing process faster and easier. Scribby and Sonics both incorporate a feature that analyzes your text for deceptive paragraphs. Mobile application. I tested the iOS Trent app on iPhone 12 mini running iOS 14. Trent does not provide Android app. The Trent iPhone app lets you record audio from the app, import audio and video, and record outgoing calls. The layout is clean and straightforward, and you can access the files you uploaded with the web application. Using the app is easy. Just download Trent from the App Store and log into your account. This displays the home screen where you can select audio recording, call recording, video or audio import, view your audio and call, view recent Trents in the online application, or view shared Trents. I recorded a very short text to check out the Trent app. The recording of this 24-second audio file appeared almost instantly. You can share Trent text by clicking the share button in the top right corner of the screen. However, the only sharing option is URL. You cannot share DOC files and email addresses or transfer SMS. Additionally, you cannot edit the script in the application. You can only edit transcripts using an online editor. Otter has a very powerful application because it allows users to edit transcripts within the app. The Trent app is similar to Reverend and Go Transcript, which lets you record and send it for writing. Try Trent. Trent Writing Service gives you a way to save time and be more productive. Enough simple writing tasks, but I can't recommend it for complex files. Trent's online editor is well designed, however, and Trent players can be game changers when it comes to making videos and audio files easily accessible. The service subscription model is suitable for users who need to record large amounts of simple audio and video files every month, but it will not work for everyone. We recommend human-sponsored writing resources for the most challenging tasks. The winning Reverend editor's choice is expensive, but its man-written writing is much more accurate than Trent, and the transition time is much faster.